Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Ma'am, today, as we all know, we are going to start another batch for life skills. The previous batch was very successful. Based on that motivation and encouragement, we are going to start a new batch, life skills for life skills. Ma'am, can you please give me some details about the course, ma'am?
Yeah, so Revati, as being a course coordinator last batch, I'm very happy with the result of that, and also people are very happy about it. So this month 12th June, we are starting a new batch, and that will continue till 11th of July. So life skills is this, the skills which are very important for life. And when you face challenges in life, when you face people and challenges, situations, anything which are required for life, that's what is we are going to do in this course.
Okay. So guys, as this life skills course contain 10 skills which are given by WHO, World Health Organization, and they are problem solving, creative thinking, self-awareness, interpersonal skills, management of stress, decision making, critical thinking, empathy, good communication, and management of emotions. These are all the 10 important life skills which are very important for people of all the ages. We can solve our day-to-day issues or challenges when we learn these skills, and at any point of age we can learn these skills.
Yes.
So ma'am, can I know who can attend this course?
So we are calling this program as Naipunya, where anybody, it starts from, the children about 12 years can join this program. The children about 12 years can join this. Parents also can join this. And we are looking for at this program as training of trainers program, where counselors really get benefit out of it, because counselors, when they are taking sessions, there could be some problems which are emotional in nature, but there are problems which are practical in nature. So all these skills which you are teaching in this life skills will definitely help the counselor to use in day-to-day sessions which they are dealing with the clients. So counselors, parents, and children, all of them can attend this program.
Okay. And ma'am, how can this benefit the people who are attending the course?
See, one thing is we are giving the standard. There are number of life skills given by different people in different websites, but we are going only through the WHO, World Health Organization, given 10 set we are giving, and those life skills are, we are using different methodologies, as you are the best person to talk about it. So the methodologies we are using and the content we are giving is completely standardized, and already we have done one batch successfully. So the people who come definitely will get the understanding of the life skill. They will learn how to, teach others, and also how to use them in their lives. Okay.
Thank you so much for that information, ma'am. So let me give some methodologies which we use in this course. So role plays, storytelling, it's very practical based course. So participants will have so many activities, and so it is going to be a very beneficial course for all who will attend. Thank you so much for the information, ma'am.
So thank you, Revati. Again, for the people who are listening to us, myself, Dr. Geeta Challa, and she's Mrs. Revati, who will be the course coordinator and speaker in the sessions. So this Naipunya, the course for 1 month, starting from June 12th and ending on July 11th. Every week we have 3 days of sessions, that is Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Evening 4:30 to 6:30, 2 hours of sessions, and completely practical and also demonstrative in nature. So I recommend all the parents to, plan for your kids who are above 12 years, and the parents themselves can also attend, and preferably the counselors. Very important thing is counselors. If you're dealing with any issue related to practical things, you can come back to these sessions and wonderfully use them in your day-to-day sessions. Okay, so look forward to see you all in Naipunya starting on June 12th evening 4:30. Okay, thank you so much,
ma'am.
For more details, you can see the information in the below box, and the link and the brochure will be provided there. Please do attend the program. Thank you so much. See you all. Looking forward to see you in Naipunya. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you guys. See you soon. Namaste.